The Independent Film and Television Alliance has today unveiled the confirmed exhibitors, as well as the opening speakers for the 43rd edition of the American Film Market, taking place at the Lowe's Beach Hotel in Santa Monica and theaters throughout the city from November 1st to 6th. Thus far, 225 entities across sales, production and distribution, including international trade organizations, film commissions and production service companies, have registered for the 2022 edition of the industry's only independently produced sales market. Confirmed exhibiting companies include A24, Altitude Film Entertainment, Charades, CJENM, Contents Panda, Emperor Motion Pictures, Film Mode Entertainment, Film Nation, Gaumont, Global Screen GmbH, Hanway Films, Lakeshore, Lionsgate, Magnolia Pictures, MGM Studios, Millennium Media, Pathé Films, Pro. Alongside the sales activity, the AFM offers a full schedule of conferences and opportunities to network, while exploring new industry realities. The AFM sessions will feature over 100+ speakers across 2 stages inside the Lowe's Hotel. The opening finance conference, The Risk Takers, will bring leading independent financiers, producers and executive Jason Cloth, founder/CEO, Creative Wealth Media, Milan Popelka, COO, Film Nation, Laura Lewis, founder, Rebel Media, and Basil Iwan, founder, Thunder Road Pictures, to the stop. While business models have clearly shifted, independent film will forever be built on discovery, collaboration, innovation and serendipity, making the need for annual face-to-face gatherings like AFM essential to our industry. IFTA also today announced 2 executive additions to its AFM team, with Matthew Thompson and Catherine Gerard-Cobb having been appointed to the newly created roles of co-managing directors, AFM, now reporting to President and CEO Gene Pruitt. The pair joined longtime IFTA Vice Presidents Jennifer Garnick and Robin Burke to develop and support the overall vision, operations and production of the AFM. Thompson, who brings 25 years of event management and production experience, will oversee the AFM attendee segment and is responsible for registration, hotels, transportation, conference production and the networking platform, MyAFM. He previously served as an event director and consultant for clients including Adweek, the Tribeca Film Festival, Nespresso and the Skirball Cultural Center.